Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn. Wanted to do another little review on the Ryobi 30, the RM300e. It's the Ryobi 30-inch riding mower. This thing's still doing really well. Haven't had a single issue out of it, surprisingly. I think we have 80 hours on it or so. So let me see here. Yep, so I know you can't see LED, but it's got 79 hours on it. We've been using it on one crew for a couple months now. I don't see anything that's breaking. It's obviously scuffed up a little bit. It's dirty, but this thing is been very dependable, and it's made a big difference with one of our crews as far as how easy the job is. So been very impressed with it. I'll probably go ahead and get the second one this winter if nothing better comes along. But it's doing really well. I still haven't swapped the batteries because the lead acid batteries are still working great. They don't seem to be deteriorating very quickly. You know, they're still getting throughout the whole day, the whole mowing route. So you know, I'm gonna wait until the end of the season, like I said before, and go ahead and swap the batteries. But it's doing well. It's Halloween. I'm actually gonna take this thing home and try to pull this little trailer with it and pull the kids in it for trick-or-treating. So if anything destroys it, it'll be me trying to pull a trailer with kids and adults in the back of it. So we're going to try that out, put a hitch on the back of it and see how it does. But hope you're all doing well. Happy Halloween and have a great day.